Hi, I'm PJ from TreelineUSA.com. Today I'm here to showcase the OZ Plus micromotor and to show you what makes this tool so great. The OZ Plus micromotor is a commercial grade rotary carving tool that people are using in a wide variety of projects. And this tool is, compared to some of the common rotary tools on the market, is a way more comfortable to hold on to. You don't have to worry about the cable bending or kinking or anything like that. And it just has the torque or power to be able to chew through material faster than just about anything else. It truly is the Cadillac of micromotor tools. So let me show you a little more about it. Okay, the OZ Plus micromotor has a couple features about it that are just to make this tool really easy to use. Number one is the quick change on the collet. All you have to do on this is twist the front half of this handpiece and the bit releases, and then you come back and click back the other way and it locks in place. Now, a common question we get too is that people will feel that first soft click on this, and on the OZ Plus it actually has a double click on it. So to open it up, you feel a soft click, get that second click, then the bit completely releases, and you lock it back the same way. Another thing too on this is the OZ Plus will go clear up to 50,000 RPM. Fordham flex shaft tools will go up to 18,000 RPM. Your Dremels will go up to about 35,000, but this goes clear up to 50,000 RPM, and that makes such a difference on the control you have with the bit. As the bit is spinning faster, it grabs less the faster it goes, so it gives you that much more control and ability to do more precision and detailed work with it. But really what makes this OZ Plus shine is the amount of torque that it has. This tool here, it has 7.8 units of torque, Newton centimeters of torque, and compared to some other tools it's just significantly more. So I've got a piece of Tupelo here, and I've got a saber tooth bit, and I just want to show you how well this can chew through material. I also grabbed a dust collector here to kind of suck that dust away, and as with any power carving tool, you typically want to have some way of controlling the dust. So we'll start this out at a slower speed. The OZ Plus, you can operate it by hand, or you can get it with an optional foot pedal. It also can go in forward and reverse. So as a right-handed carver, I run it in the forward direction, so as I pull it back towards me, the bit is going away and I have more control on it. But if I were to run it in the forward direction in my left hand, that bit would want to run into the cut a little bit too much, and so it's a little bit harder to control. And so without the reverse feature on it, I just have to carve away. And many of you left-handed carvers may have already gotten used to that. But with this, you can switch it over into reverse, and now the bit is running in a direction so that you can run it with more control in your left hand as well. It also can be used, so sometimes when the bit is rotating this way, it can lift up the grain in certain areas. But in the reverse, you can turn around the opposite direction and lay that grain down as you carve, so it gives you a little bit smoother and more finished cut. So I've got it in forward by hand. The M button is your motor button, and just notice how I can go through this material and chew away material so quickly with it, and without it bogging down. I can turn it up a little bit more to like Dremel speed, and again just get that much more control at that higher speed. And I go clear up to that 50,000 RPM, and the material just almost just vanishes as we get into it. And you can use a wide variety of bits with this. You know, right now I've got the 1/8 inch shank bit in there. The kit that we include with when you buy the OZ Plus from TreelineUSA, we include a collet reducing sleeve that allows you to put the 3/32 reducer down into it to be able to quickly adapt to smaller shafted 3/32 shank bits. And we even have another one that's optional to go down to 1/16 those really fine dental burrs. But that allows you to use both 1/8 inch and 3/32 shank bits with this tool, and really just get the ultimate control and precision out of this. And also the torque too. I mean, if people need it and they're really trying to hog away some material, this tool can do it. Of course, you always want to listen to the tool. If you hear it bogging down too much, then yeah, you want to pull it up or back off just a little bit. But even as is, you can see that material just vanishes as you cut through it. We love to demonstrate the OZ Plus micromotor, and one of the first things people notice as they start carving with it is just how much torque it has, how quiet it is, and how smooth it cuts. It's really fun to show people how well this tool works. And so just to recap some of the pros on the OZ Plus micromotor, you have the quick change on that. You also have a cable, a power cord, rather than a flex shaft, so you don't have to worry about the cable bending and kinking. So that allows you to use it like a pencil or pen or pencil as you're carving, or be able to use it like this if you do need to really chew off some material. And it has speeds up to 50,000 RPM. There's a button on here, and so it goes to 40, and then the button right here, you push it to turn it all the way up to 50, and that's kind of a safety feature because not all bits are rated up to that 50,000 RPM, so you just may want to watch and be careful with what bits you use. But the other thing too that people really like about this is the handpiece is really sealed, and so it keeps dust and debris from getting inside the handpiece and destroying the bearings, and so it just helps with the life of these handpieces. They really do last and hold up even in commercial-like situations. So the OZ Plus micromotor is available at TreelineUSA.com, and Treeline also carries a lot of different bits and other accessories that power carvers really like to use. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching.